Are you looking for to fix Facebook login error? Then you're on the right video. First thing first, check whether all of the login credentials that you have entered are correct. Or if you have forgotten the password, then you can try recovering it. If not, the next thing you want to do is head over to the App Store. In the address bar, search for Facebook. Move into this app. Instead of open, if you find the option of update, then simply click on update and update it to latest version. Once done, move into the settings of a device. Inside settings, you need to head over to general and then move into iPhone storage. Once you're inside the iPhone storage, search for the application Facebook. Once found, click on it. Tap on offload app and once again click on offload app. It will create a cache on the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should definitely fix the issue that you have been facing. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.